Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up. Takers and givers, I've been caught the latter, but am I really a giver? If I don't give to myself, don't take care of my health, care for everyone else, I usually give away my best, but get into this reset, get into this reset, get into this reset. Takers, givers, I've been caught the latter, get into this reset, yeah. Adjust my clock like daylight savings, next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over, owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you're blowing my high, gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah. Reset. Ain't nothing to start over. Only on a new vibe. Bitch, you're blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, yeah. Reset. Recent past is feeling like a past life. Can't believe I saved your heart to break mine. You could see I shifted shape to fit yours. Can't forget I made the move to move on. PCH to the Potomac River. Take a break, recalibrate, forgive her. Trip the road from Stockton to Stockholm. Yeah. Peace and grace to travel safe through time zones. Adjust my clock like daylight savings, next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over, owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you're blowing my high, gotta recalibrate my sundial.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Amanda Hair. Shout out to you, Amanda Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. Child, this is my first time working with this company, so once again, shout out to you, boo. So the unit that they sent me is is a pre-cut lace 6 by 4.5 closure unit, and I have it in 24 inches. Is it considered a closure when it's that, you know, much part of space? Child, I don't know, but that's what they sent me. So it says glueless loose wave wigs, virgin human hair, 4x4/13x4 transparent HD lace front wig, pre-plucked hairline, Amanda Hair. So this unit is available in the 4x4 transparent lace, or the 13x4 HD lace, or the, like I have, the 6x4.5 3D cap. You have all of those options, and is 180% density and 250% density. Now I'm not 100% sure which density they sent me. Check on the side over here or check down below in the description box. This unit is available in 16 to 30 inches. As I stated, they sent me 24 inches. As far as the details, this is loose wave texture. It is a natural color. It's 100% human virgin hair, and it's in an average cap size, and it says no shedding, tangle free, soft and bouncy. And yes, it is all the things, girl. So since I just talked about it, about tangles and shedding, honey, I received none of the things. Now that is straight out of the packaging, so girl, do whatever you want to do with it. Okay, girl, do whatever you want to do with that, but straight out of the packaging, I did not receive any of the things. As far as it being big head friendly, it does have that elastic band in there, and I feel like with that elastic band, it makes it where you can wear it across the board. In my opinion, it is big head friendly. friendly, but if you wear a smaller cap size, I think you can make old girl work, honey. Okay, I just do. Another thing, I do want to go ahead and mention, I don't know if I'm gonna do a voiceover or not, but I do want to go ahead and mention that even though this unit came pre-cut, I did have to cut off some of that lace. Like the lace for me was a little too light, and then when I put my bronzer on it was too dark, so I cut the lace, and now I feel like it looks good. Y'all can let me know what you think, girl, but I feel like it looks good. So I did have to go ahead and cut off some of that lace. Oh, and this unit did come pre-tweezed, so shout out to them for that, because honey, I feel like this hairline is hairlining. Y'all can let me know down below in the comments, do you think this hairline is hairlining? But I think old girl is hairlining. And honestly, with most of my loose wave wigs, I don't do a lot of extra to them. Now sometimes I will go through with a really small curling iron and one curl it all around. I didn't even feel the need to do that, girl. Okay, I ain't gonna hold you. I felt like the curls look good as they are, and like I said, I typically do that with my loose wave units anyway. I don't even really like to use a lot of product or anything. I did put a little Cantu curling mousse on it, but that is it. That is all. And old girl is looking how she's looking. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so if you watch me, then you know your girl like to start with the cons, because I like to end on a high note. And my con for this unit is going to be that, oh girl ain't got no combs.
I'm having trouble hearing. Can you say that again?
I wasn't talking to you.
Sorry, I thought I heard my name.
Child, oh girl tripping. Oh girl did not come with any combs. Okay, so that is going to be my con. I needs me a comb. Okay, I just needs me a comb. So that's going to be my con. Now, as far as the pros, my number one pro with this unit is going to be that it is super beginner friendly. Throw old girl on. Now, I did use adhesive. I don't feel like adhesive is necessarily necessary, especially after you cut off that little bit of that little extra lace. I don't feel like adhesive is necessary, but the no combs things makes me scared, honey. Okay, I get a little timid when ain't no combs. I gotta apply some adhesive, but it's not necessary. I love the hairline is hairlining. I love the extra room that these caps give you. You can do half up, half down styles. You can go. You can really take it there without it being a frontal. And girl, y'all know I prefer a closure over a frontal, but like this darn near feels like a frontal. I don't know, y'all, but you guys, you get what I'm saying. That's a pro as well. And the hair, I love a good loose wave. I love a good loose wave, and to me, loose waves don't take a lot of work, so that's another pro. So those are all my pros with this unit. Obviously, I would recommend this unit, y'all. Did you hear my pros? And plus, the hair so soft, silky, and free. You don't need no just for me. All right. So yes, I would recommend this unit. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 and lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Down below, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling this unit as much as I am. I'm interested in hearing your thoughts down below. Shout out to you once again, Amanda Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely got every style.